February this year, I decided to change my life and become better for myself, for my family, and in case I decide to settle down. Anytime this year, next year, I want to be in the best shape and form. And I have been battling with a lot of intrusive thoughts, and I decided to start working out, more especially lifting weight because of PCOS and hormonal imbalance. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. This is a channel where we work out on very random days. Funny, don't worry. I'm joking anyway, but yeah, welcome to my channel. Today is a fitness video, as you can see, and today I went to the gym with a friend. He refused to show in my video because he's shy, but I can still tell you what was happening. He was so shy, and this was his first time back in the gym after 5 years. So this was a tough one for him. He couldn't get it through. Like, I wish I could show him, but this were like little of the exercises I did. I did more of chest day, and this was 3 sets, 20 each. Now this was side and pulls. This was 10 each side, 2 sets. Right, 10 each side, 2 sets. Next was the left side. I can tell you, the heavier you pull this, the better you feel. You are going to feel the burn, especially when you tighten your core as you do it. Make sure your hand is coming towards you, kept together. Do not spread your hand apart. Next was I'm sorry, I still don't know the names of most of the workouts, so I might get the names wrong. Please don't be offended, all ye gym police. Please don't be offended, okay? But this is the best I could say. It was a one hand pull thingy push. Yeah. Anyways, next. She was tired. There was no next. Now we're getting to RDLs. Now we're going to the lower bottoms, right? So RDLs now. Let's get it. Yeah. We did 23 sets of that. Of 10 kg. It was excruciating, being that I am more heavy, big backed. And the bunda is packing, right? But at the end of the day, we pull through. We're still able to do it. Back, core, tucked in, body, Now this is single RDLs. I found this to be very more effective, especially if they're like you do a leg raise as you do this. Oh, you're going to feel your glue. But yeah, single leg raises. Yes. 10 each leg, 2 sets. That's what I did, and that was what I started with. Showing y'all my progress. You see. Shake it, baby, shake it. Next is leg press. This, by far by now you should know, might be my favorite machine in the entire gym. I don't care what it is, but these machines got me. This was 180 kg. We're going for 180 kg PR, and I just went straight for it. I didn't progress to it. I just went straight, like shocking these leg muscles, and they were like, "What is that?" And I'm like, "It's your father. Get them legs ready, But yeah, that's it. uh 3 sets. I did 20. I tried to push the heaviest because that's the best leg workout I could do. I can't deadlift it. I don't know why. It's the hardest thing for me to do. So I try to do the ones that my body allows me to do. I do it like till the last, like till failure. So I do not feel like, oh, you lost, oh, you didn't work out. I do the ones that my body allows me to do till the very last. So I maximize every workout my body can pull through. And this is one of it. I don't know how I became good at it, but I became good at it. And yeah, yeah, yeah. The girls are getting ready for summer. We're packing Buddy. Buddy is packing the hot cocoa. Oh! Yeah, and then my friend decided to try the machine. And he was like, oh, let me show you how it's really done. And I'm like, really? Yeah, okay, come. That's the face I made. I said, okay, fine, come. Come on, make it. Come on, show me how a man does it better than me. Wow. Come show me. I was like, but I couldn't put the clip in there because he's so shy. He was like, please don't put it in. And I'm like, okay, no problem. I won't put your face in. Look at you. But yeah. Yeah. I had to count like how many. And he was like, oh, I'm going to show you. And then that was him doing that. And he couldn't. And he was like, get it. And I was laughing. Oh my God, I fell on the floor. I was laughing. It was the highlight of the entire workout. The way, I don't know what I expected. Or I don't know what he expected either, but it wasn't given. It wasn't. Nah. I was laughing like, I laughed. I was like, you don't want to roll with me. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that brings me to the end of my workout. I had fun that day because my friend came and it was funny. But yeah, that's it. What do you guys think? Comment down below.